Thereafter, I would like to thank the entire honored guests who devoted us their expensive time and allowed or accepted to participate with us in this graduation ceremony as we are the crime team. Actually, it is so crucial for us to have this ceremony of such a place where you are not all absent. Anyway, thanks for your gathering. Second, my word is to these students with the same uniform, the graduates. Obviously, every single hour starts from its first minute and it ends to its last 60 minutes. It is meant by me, there was a day you started learning English, and of course, the farmer man, for example, the farmer man desires one is to create fruits and trees to his farm. Then after a long time of cultivating and irrigating what he already created, and if Allah permits him, he gets a free time that he can eat freely what he already created. So you graduates, the day which you were joining to Al Ikram Institute of Languages, of course you couldn't take the names of being bilingual persons, but today, praise be to Allah, the names of being bilingual individuals have been handled by you. So you are being congratulated by me at the level which English language was reached by you. On the other hand, the Mabalias Mar, which made me so surprised one is that you learned English from Al Ikram Institute of Languages, which is the same place that I studied English before. You are the 12th batch of Al Ikram Institute of Languages, while I was the 7th batch of Al Ikram Institute of Languages. So alhamdulillah to see the batch you are now, alhamdulillah to see the batch that I was once. And what is not needed witness from you is that Al Ikram Ismuru is into such producing so-called students having a certificate which is not deserved by its person. Al Ikram is an institute whose teachers are on the alert to give the student or the learner a key that he can pass to anywhere of the world. Because English language became a key for every locked door around this world. And I wish, and also I think and also wish that what you studied from this institute will assist you from multivarious sides, including your ongoing educational process like the primary and the secondary level, or your new coming future educational affairs like the universities from bachelor level, master level until PhD level. Because it is a language whose comprehension is needed to grasp or comprehend by every individual or student or learner who wants to get erudition from this world. It is essential for the students to give specific consideration how English language will be learned. Therefore, try to break the preach as your peer broke before, and be a perfect person whose perfectness ends to being of a perfect person. Though the time is so narrow, I would like to thank my honored English teacher who taught me this language, Mr. Abdul Ismail Hujale. And before I finalize my oration, I am congratulating to the graduates who are going to take a certificate here. And I'm saying to you, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations.